Do you know there are several courses you can go for while here in United Arab Emirates that can help you get better jobs here in Dubai, especially healthcare courses like the CNA. CNA means Certified Nursing Assistant. How does this help you to get a job? You do not need to have a medical qualification for you to be a CNA. The only thing you need to do is to go for the program, which is about 4 months. And after you get the 4-month certification, you can get a job as a health assistant, a nursing assistant, a patient assistant, or even a medical assistant. To get the full details and all the information you need about gaining this certification, which is globally accepted worldwide, watch this video to the end, and I assure you it will be very, very beneficial to you. Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you doing today? Trust you're good, and yes, trust you are enjoying the current atmosphere here in the United Arab Emirates. It's really cool, it's really chilling. Like right now I'm making this video, I wouldn't say it's rain, like it didn't rain heavily, you know, and I wouldn't also say it's drizzled, you know. It just dropped for some minutes and everywhere is so cool this morning. It's about 9, yeah, it's about 9 a.m. this morning and everywhere is so cool, like this is so nice. So I hope you're having a nice time just like I am having a nice time right here. Okay, so let's go down to today's business, let's go down to today's deal, and let's not be disrupted by the weather, pleasantness of the weather and all that. So to today's deal, to today's business. Today I'm going to be discussing a very, very important topic. I've been having like series of questions, and people do ask me on my YouTube channel, I want to go for some course. What course should I go for in the United Arab Emirates here? I want to go for a certified course that can help me get a better job. I want to go for a certified course that will help me get a job. And I didn't really put too much keen interest on what these people are talking about. I tell them, okay, I will get back to you, and after telling them I will get back to them, I end up referring them to Nabush. You know, Nabush, that's one story for another day because I know about that one as I have a family friend that is doing that one. But just over the weekend that passed, another acquaintance of ours, a family friend, a lady, so she just got a job as a nursing assistant. My goodness, like she has been looking for a job for some time, and after a while I never even knew she was going for this course, you know. So she went for this course. It's called the CNA. So basically this video, she gave me all the information, details, and even the links that I used to make this video, and I'll put every of the link in the description section. So this video is very detailed, you know, it's very detailed. So today's topic, we're going to talk about the CNA. The CNA is a certified nursing assistant. So if you go for this course and you complete this course, it will help you to get a very good job here in the United Arab Emirates. As a CNA, you can work in any medical field, be it a health center, be it a hospital, or be it a medical care provider center. You can work in any one of them. You can work in clinics as a nursing assistant. So what is CNA? A certified nursing assistant, or a CNA, is someone who has gone for training. You know, you have gone for training for 4 months. You will be trained to be a CNA protocol so that you can carry out duties in the medical field as a CNA. Please note, for the CNA, you do not need to have a medical qualification. You do not need to have a medical experience. If you have a medical experience or a medical qualification prior, like before now, before going for the course, it's also nice. But if you do not have, there's also no big deal, because everything you will be needing to be certified will be taught to you. And trust me, it's not difficult, it's very easy. It's all about, paying attention to details and taking care of patients, so it's just like you are the middleman between the nurses, the doctors, and the patients. So you will be working directly with the patient by providing immediate and direct care, to the patient. So it means you will even be closer to the patients than even the nurses or the doctors. So like I was saying, this course is actually for 4 months, and after 4 months you're going to write the exams, the theory part, the practical part, and hopefully you will come out with good results, and you will be given the certificates. You'll be given 2 certificates. One will be approved here from Dubai, from the United Arab Emirates, and that's the KDHA, which means Knowledge and Humanitarian Development Authority, and that one is going to be approved from the Ministry of Education here in the United Arab Emirates. So you're going to get that one from here, and also you're going to get another one. This one is globally, this one is from US. This one is called the American Medical Certification Association. It is globally accepted worldwide and accredited. It's coming all the way from the United States of America. So you'll be having these 2 certificates, and trust me, when you get these certificates, you can work in any healthcare system here in Dubai, in the United Arab Emirates, in the hospitals, in the clinic, as long as it's a medical line. And also you can work in any healthcare or any hospital outside UAE, globally, wherever you are, Canada, America, anywhere in Europe, Australia, wherever, you can use this kind of certificate to work. And the cost for this is not really expensive, So for the entire duration which you'll be working, I think it will cost you about 4,200 dirhams. And the classes are usually weekend, so they have like Friday, Saturday, and per classes I think it's about 5 hours per day. So even if you have a full-time job, you can decide to be going for the lectures on your off days. If your off days are on Fridays, or if your off days are on Saturdays, you can choose one of these days, to go for the program. And like I said, it's like 5 hours or maximum 6 hours per day. Okay, so now what we're going to do is, I want us to go into details about this CNA certification. I'm going to open the link that my friend gave to me, as this was the procedure that she used to get the job, and also the institution that helped her. So I'm going to open it. We are going to read it together. I'll also give more explanations, more elaborations for better understanding. Okay, so this is the link, and I'm going to paste this link in the description section of this video. So kindly go to the description section to get this link so you can get a proper review. So here it's the Strong Point Educational and Training Institutes. So they have 3 phone numbers there: home, about us, contact us, and the courses you want to go for. So this is for the nursing assistants. Okay, about the course, let's get started and let's see how it is written there in their own words. It says a CNA's workload can become intense and fast-paced, but the human content and ability to help those in medical need is a strong motivating factor. A desire to help people and compassion for patients can help a nurse's assistant get through difficult days. Strong Point Training Institute in Dubai aims to provide the best CNA course in Dubai. Okay, so basically it means You know, a majority of us, when we go into courses like this, we get scared. I'm not into medical line, I'm not a science student, I'm not a nurse, you know. They get scared, how am I going to cope? You know, are you sure I can do it? So now, you do not need to get scared. Because you have that zeal, because you have that care, because you have that compassion, you know, you are so compassionate about wanting to help people, because you want to create that bond with the patient to help the patient to recover fast, because you want to bring out that humanitarian spirit in you to help others. That zeal is what is going to help you to succeed in your CNA. Although the CNA, like they said, it could be quite taxing and difficult, but trust me, you won't feel much of the tension. Why? Because the humanitarian spirit in you, your zeal and compassion to help people, you know, for them to recover and get well and get better soon. That will help you to overcome the difficulties. You won't even feel you're doing something you've not done before. You know, everything's going to just work out smooth and easy as long as you have that zeal, as long as you have that compassion, that love to help people who are sick to get better. Then these are training institutes, you know, they are going to provide that training for you, and as they'll put you through so you can be a certified CNA.
Okay, let's go ahead. So you said the CNA Certified Nursing Assistant course in Dubai will lead to an international certification which is accreditedly globally and acceptable worldwide. Okay, so that one is very clear enough. It doesn't need explanation. Okay, so nursing assistants fulfill basic quality of life needs for patients of any age in residential nursing care facilities or outpatient cities. Some nursing assistants have daily contact with patients. They are gatherers of vital information about the patient's condition, which they must then transmit to their supervisors.
What they are saying in this section is that the CNA, the certified nurse, works on a daily basis, you know, with the patient. Like I said, you have a one-on-one interactions, one-on-one contact, one-on-one relationship with the patient, since you are like the middleman between the nurses and the patient. So you will be the one that will be gathering vital information, you know, from the client, and then transmitting them to your supervisor. Your supervisor might be the actual nurse, or your supervisor might be someone you have to transmit the message to, and then the person will now transmit the message to the nurse. It depends on the healthcare system, the hospital, the clinic, or healthcare facility where you are working, as it varies, you know. So you will be working directly with the patient, providing information from the patients, you know, like vital information, you know, checking the heart rate, the BP. We'll get into that section. And then I'll give more elaborations.
So a CNA serves as the RNS or LPNS eyes and ears and relays information between many patients and nurses. CNAs are typically responsible for the general care of their patients. Duties will vary depending on the specific needs of the patient. The most common responsibilities are taking and recording vital signs such as heart rate and blood pressures, assisting them to and from their bed or chair as needed, and helping them with feeding and personal hygiene. CNAs may also assist doctors and nurses during medical procedures. CNAs, Certified Nursing Assistants, training in Dubai will lead to a recognized and accredited certification.
So I don't know if you've gone to the hospitals, like if you've gone to the clinics and some healthcare facilities, you will see some people putting on uniform. I know each facility, each healthcare system have their own color uniform, but they wear like these jumper suits. Some could be light blue, some could be dark blue. You know, they are not nurses. Yeah, they are not nurses. They are the CNAs. Like I said earlier on, they are the ones that work in contact with. They work directly with the patients. They provide the vital information. And now, They have other duties that they would be required to do. Like for example, they might be carried out administrative duties. Administrative duties could do with recording some information. You know, every morning the nurse can give to them a file, go to the patient in Ward B, check if he has eaten breakfast. You tick breakfast eaten. Ask him any questions for the night. In the night, how many times did you use the washroom? You tick. Do you feel feverish? You know, some basic administrative functions. He or she might be needed to go back to the desk, enter one or two informations in the computer, or save some documents in the system. Sometimes they can also be required. I don't know if you see maybe some patient needs to go to the washroom, or they need to transfer some patient from a particular ward to another, and they need to use a wheelchair. You see these people in this light blue or purple or pink or red. Like I said, different institutes varies with the uniform. You can put the patient on the wheelchair and drive them on the wheelchair to another ward, or drive them from the wheelchair to maybe to the washroom or where they want to go. And there you support and you assist the nurse in all that they do. Maybe the nurse needs to come and give some medications to the patient. You can carry the box of medical equipment for the nurse. You know, as the nurse is taking the syringe, putting the dose or the medicines in it, you can be getting the cotton wool, mixing it with the methylated spirit, or however it works. You will be providing medical assistance to the nurses, to the doctors, or anyone in the medical field. So this is very easy. You will be trained for it. You will be trained for it. Even if you were an accountant before now, it doesn't matter. It's very easy. You will be trained for it.
Okay, so the other job duties of a CNA will include the following: adjust positions of patients on beds or tables, address physical conditions of patients to aid in diagnosis or treatment, operate medical equipment, apply bandages, dresses, or spirits, move patients to or from treatment areas, prepare medical instruments or equipment for use, transport biological or other medical materials, and explain technical medical information to patients.
Okay, so you see from what I just read out, is there anything difficult that you cannot do? Trust me guys, you can do it. You can do it. It's not difficult. Like, it's very easy. You'll be trained and you'll be taught on what to do. Moving patient from one place to another, transporting medical equipment, not something heavy that will need a tractor to carry. It might be a trolley, you know, a trolley that has equipment that will be needed for a surgery. You might need to roll it to the surgery room. It might be a trolley that has the equipment needed to change dressing for the patient. Of course, you'll be taught on how to dress wounds and all that. And so this is super easy. So really, guys, I will encourage us to go for this course. Even myself, I'm thinking about it, because currently the course that I went for is just for 1 day. It's a first aid. It's a first aid course. So presently, I can work anywhere that requires a first aider. And while working here at the Expo, one of the reasons why I got this job is because I have a first aid experience. So you can see, I also have 2 certificates, one from Dubai and another one I have is from, it's globally accepted from UK. So really we should go for this course. So let's go ahead and see the course outline. Let's go ahead and see the course outline and see what you will be taught, like what the course entails, what you will be taught, what you will need to learn while you are in the institute for you to be a CNA.
Okay, so the course outline includes Introduction to the world of CNA, Certified Nursing Assistant course, CNA roles and responsibilities, anatomy and physiology, adult patient care, advanced principles of patient hygiene, environmental health and practical nursing, health and safety training for healthcare professionals, positioning and ambulating the adult patient, active and passive range of motion exercise, um, diet therapy, uh, the physical examination. 1 minute is still rolling up. Specimen collection, vital signs. Hold on, we're still going. Vital signs, meaning measuring the vital signs, the physical assessments, infection control, and rest and sleep for nurses.
So, literally speaking, that's all the course outline, and every of those course outline will be taught to you. They are going to teach you. They are going to explain them to you. See, this course is it's more of practical than theory. So, no matter how dull you might be, trust me, you can scale through. No matter how dull, because everything you can see it in the course outline. The way it is mentioned and written one by one, you're going to be taught. For the vital signs, how to check the pulse, how to check the heart rate, how to check the BP, how to check the height of the patient, you will be taught everything. Don't be scared. I know you heard the big one, anatomy, physiology. They are just words. Trust me, they will teach you everything you need to know, irrespective of your educational background, irrespective of your field. So, if you are interested in going for this course program, we'll take a look now at you. I think you just have to fill this form and send it, and they will get back to you. This institute will get back to you.
So you will need to fill in the form, and this is the inquiry form for you to fill if you are interested in the course. I'm going to drop the link to this particular form, to this particular page, and everything here in the description section. So you have your name, your email address, your mobile number, your course that you are interested in. I just gave an example by choosing caregiver, so you go ahead and select CNA, which is the certified nurse assistant, and there you can also present a cover letter before you submit. Introduce yourself and tell them you want to go for this course, and you'll be glad to be one of their students, and that's it. And that's it, guys. That's it, viewers. That's it, family. At the end of it all, in 4 months, you will be a certified nursing assistant.
So viewers, so family, so friends, so subscribers. But I will love the word family. Yes, you are my YouTube family. So that's just it. So if you are interested in this course, just fill in that form and click on submit. So select CNA. I only selected caregiver because I was just doing an illustration. Select CNA and submit, and the institution they will get back to you, and then they will tell you what to do. I'm going to drop the link of that of what I read. The link to this video, I'm going to drop it in the description section, so that you can also go through it for more understanding in case you want to read it on your own. And so also you can use the opportunity to fill out the form and submit to the institution. I think I will have to make this in another video. So in the next video, I'm going to bring to you this institute, like the best school you need to go for your CNA, and how the school is going to help you, which is also this Strong Point Educational Institute. So I'm going to present to you how they are going to help you and the benefits of using the institute, but that will be in another video. So thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. Really, This video is very detailed. Like, I took my time to get all the information from my friend. This is not them say. This is not a story. This is real life. This course, this certification is from everybody, no matter what ethnic group you are from, no matter what nationality you're from, no matter what continent you are from. This is for everybody in the whole world, because this certificate is globally acceptable and you can use it to work anywhere in the world, as it has 2 certifications, one from Dubai and another one from the USA. So thank you for watching this video. Please be a brother's keeper. Be your brother's keeper by sharing these videos with your loved ones. If you know anyone you have in your heart that you call a friend, that you call a brother, that you call a sister, that you call family, kindly share this video with them so that they can watch. Thank you so much, my old subscribers. Thank you so much, my new subscribers, for always coming back and watching my videos. Continue to like by giving me a thumbs up sign. Click on the comment section. Drop every of your questions, every question that you have. Drop them, I will reply them, and the ones that will need more answers with respect to the school, I will make that in my next video. Subscribe to this channel and encourage and motivate other people to subscribe to my channel. As you can see, my channel is a very motivational and encouraging channel where you get to learn things every day. I do not post videos that are not educational. Everything I post in my channel, you must benefit. There's always a benefit. So guys, I'll see you in yet another video. Take good care and continue to enjoy the nice weather. Take good care. Bye.